All right, thought I would do a quick video to show you kind of what a typical breakfast around here looks like when the garden is coming in. Got some fresh zucchini, fresh green beans. This is something new this year. We planted Brussels sprouts. I've been eating the leaves. They've been really, really good. Fresh chives and basil, and then 2 fresh duck eggs. And then we've got the potatoes already cooking, so I'll show you what it looks like when we mix all this together. Alright, so here are our fresh baby red, some Yukon Golds, freshly dug out of the garden, cooking in some grass-fed pig lard. So anyways, I will take these off and I will start the eggs with the zucchini and Brussels sprouts, or the Brussels sprout leaves, and show you what it looks like finished. Alright, so we removed the potatoes, we added the Brussels sprout leaves, the green beans, the basil leaves, and the chives into here with the extra oil that was still left over from the potatoes. So let these cook for a minute, then we'll add the zucchini last, or excuse me, second to last, and the eggs. We'll add a little bit of garlic and ginger. Stand by. Alright, so the Brussels sprout leaves and green beans, basil, and chives will cook down. Now we've gone ahead and added a little bit more grass-fed lard, and now we've added the zucchini. So we'll cook the zucchini down until they have a nice kind of translucent color, and then we'll add the eggs, and then we'll be finished. Okay, so these are about ready for the duck eggs. Go ahead and add those on top. Cans for you. Okay. And all we'll do, you can cook them however you want. But I'm going to go ahead and scramble them in, because that's how the kids will eat it the best. So, try to get these scrambled real quick. I'll be right back. Okay, so here's the finished product. We have the fresh potatoes dug out of the garden. We have the fresh cucumbers out of the garden. And then we have the eggs and super greens out of the garden. So, we started with, we have 2 duck eggs. We have zucchini, fresh chives, fresh basil, fresh green beans. Sometimes we put okra in there, but there was not any okra this morning. And then we added some garlic and ginger. Now those I did do in powder form. I'll put links to the kind that I use in the description. Everything else is fresh out of the garden, and we will top it off with some fresh, freshly squeezed goat's milk. So, hope you guys enjoy. We're certainly enjoying the hard work is finally paying off, so we're certainly enjoying the benefits from that, from all that hard work this spring. So hope you guys have a great day.